Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube page. Today I just want to show you what I found. I basically find I guess it's AC. I thought it's AC brushed electric motor. I just want to fix this thing and attach to my lathe. That's the reason I took it home. So I disassemble and check the bolts. So this was the inside, really clean. But I can't find another pair of brush, so I thought it's broken because of the brushes. I look at the rotor's winding and it seems connected. It not seems any short circuit or open circuit. I just examine the bearings and bearings looking fine to me. We just need to make a two things. One, attach a large threaded rod to attach the lathe chuck. Also, I want to clean the rotor's brush contacts and make a new pair of brush, but this brush not for this motor, so I want to grind it and somehow attach this thing into this motor. If everything goes right, we have a electric motor in the end. So let's get started. First of all, I want to clean the rotor's brush contacts, remove this bearing and attach this to now we can clean this thing easily. To use that, hello. I just attach this electric motor into our lathe. When I connect this thing into a AC dimmer, it not went good because moves but so slow. That's why I thought it was a DC. So I attached some SMPS here. This is the specs. 12-volt DC. But when I connect this thing, I think it needs 220 volts DC. But I'm happy to fix this electric motor, so we can, if we can make a circuit board, can use this machine. But I can't solve this problem. Always tilting when turning. I really hate this. I having this problem since the start, from the start. I don't know how can I fix this. If you have any idea, you can like. So this is it, guys.